Hi everyone! Today we're exploring the CAROTE 21 piece pots and pans set designed for ultimate convenience and space saving. This non-stick, induction-compatible cookware features detachable handles, making storage and stacking easier than ever. With handles removed, you can save up to 70% more space, perfect for small kitchens or RVs. The taupe finish adds a modern touch, while the cookware remains oven-safe for versatile cooking. Each piece is crafted for durability and even heat distribution, ideal for everyday meals. Whether you're cooking on the stove or in the oven, this set adapts to your needs effortlessly. Experience the blend of functionality and style with CAROTE's innovative detachable handle design. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.